And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
A little bit less cloud cover this morning. We're in the 20s, 26 Crawfordsville, 29 in Frankfort, in the 30s where we have very thick cloud cover, but clouds are starting to really overspread the area right now. I looked at some radar observations this morning and we're seeing a little bit of light flurries, maybe a little bit of sleet toward Buffalo, out toward Royal Center, Peru, Mexico, Rochester, Winnemac, all this kind of working off to the southeast, but very light precipitation this morning. But today we're going to feature high pressure. That's going to give us clear conditions, but overcast skies for today. But there is our big weather maker starting to take shape. I said this yesterday. Once the storm actually starts to form, actually starts to grow, we'll be able to send weather balloons up into the system out in Texas, and that'll help drive our weather models and help give us better data moving forward. And that is the case this morning. We're starting to see a better trend of models kind of coming together and giving us a better forecast ahead. The rest of today, though, mostly cloudy, and temperatures will stay in the mid-30s. Pretty quiet day, winds about 5 to 10 miles per hour from the southwest. Now for tomorrow, our heavy snow really occurs in the morning into the afternoon. Gusts up to 25, pushing 40 miles per hour at times. Snowfall rates could easily be 1 to 2 inches per hour. So we'll be watching this system very closely, but temperatures staying lower 30s all day, and it's going to be kind of a wet snow to begin with. By the evening hours, we'll see more dry and fine snow. So Futurecast timing this out as we get toward tonight. Here's 10:30. The latest data has this pushing in a little bit sooner, so we could even see some isolated rain snow mix, some sleet by about 11 midnight tonight across Lafayette. Area wide, we'll start to see flurries up in Rensselaer, Morocco, out toward Rensselaer, Remington, and Kentland as well, but heavy snow working in by 1 to 2 o'clock across Lafayette and Crawfordsville. And I think we'll be seeing our heaviest snow here by the morning commute. So you can see from here, Tippecanoe County, all the way down to Indy, that's where that heavy snow band will occur. That's where the heaviest amounts will likely be across our viewing area. But we'll stay with some snow flurries here by 12:30, still dealing with heavy snow. Then things start to get a little bit lighter. And we'll have that cooler air start to filter in from the northwest, and it gets windy. We'll have that blowing and drifting snow basically Wednesday night through the day Thursday, with some scattered snow showers and flurries for Thursday. So as far as snow accumulation goes, 5 to 8 area wide looks fairly decent. Isolated and locally could see 6 to 9 plus inches of snow in some spots. So definitely a widespread snow event stretching basically the entire viewing area, but further off to the northwest we'll see a little less because that's where that main snow band will not really be occurring, basically from Indy to Lafayette. So we are going to be seeing scattered flurries here for Thursday, a few snow showers as well. We'll kind of clear things out Friday morning, 7:30. Another quick hitting system moves in here Friday afternoon, evening. That could lay down maybe another 1 to 2 inches. And then a secondary system, or really a third system, comes in by Saturday evening. Maybe a rain-snow mix, changing over to all snow by Sunday. We're a little too early to get into detail about that, but certainly heavy snow tomorrow, scattered snow and windy Thursday, and then Friday evening, watching for another bout of heavy snow that could work in Saturday. We'll have those evening, probably rain-snow mix. We'll see where that line ultimately sets up, but just be aware of that. And then it turns downright cold Monday, high of only 18. And then we could see another system come in Tuesday and Wednesday. Just a busy forecast, but tomorrow we will have live team coverage. If you want to join us, we'll have our News 18 live drive. We'll have reporters out kind of keeping you ahead of this storm.
Yeah, you mentioned if you want to join us, hopefully you guys at home want to join us.
We want you to join us for sure, because we'll have all of our resources, outside, we'll have me in the Weather Center tracking this storm, because the morning time, very important time, because people will be trying to get out. But if you have to get out, think the morning, afternoon times will be the worst snowfall period that we will have.
Yeah, today, like you mentioned, is definitely to come before the storm. We are less than 24 hours away from seeing some snowfall.
And that's why the National Weather Service has us underneath that warning now, winter storm warning for many counties, because we are 24 hours out. But just stay weather aware tomorrow. We're definitely going to be seeing this winter storm give us a pretty good punch here for tomorrow.
Yeah, as David mentioned, stay with us too. We're going to have live team coverage and we're going to bring you all the latest updates. So we'll be on top of it as always.